right, Scotty, what are we going to do?
Unboxing!
Yeah, unboxing! We have camping adventure, so let's see what's inside.
What is inside?
Let's find out. Okay. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Let's see. What's in here? Okay, so oh, that's cute.
Can you open this?
Yeah. Let's see. So, looks like there's stuff to make a tent. And yeah. Stuff to build a campfire. Neat. Yeah. Alright, what's this stuff here? Oh, cute! Those make ants and ladybugs. Oh, so we can build bugs. That's cute.
Well, what are these?
The googly eyes. You get more googly eyes. And a s'mores kit. Oh, and it comes with clips to clip on the tent. Oh, and stickers. Oh, and there's a new book in here. And then there is the tarp for the tent.
I'm making them have noses.
Yeah, you give him a nose.
Yeah, I'm giving them eyeballs.
Yeah, the googly eyes.
Yeah, the googly eyes can make them see.
That's right. All right. Do you like your Kiwico box?
Yeah.
Grammy says she's been wanting to make a fort with you. I think this would be really fun to take to Grammy's house. Do you want to take it to Grammy's house tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
It will be fun.
I think so too. All right. Do you want to say thanks, Kiwico?
Thanks, Kiwico.
Yeah. All right. Spoon, little box cat, what are you doing? Gee, Spoon. Yeah. Yeah, and there's balls too. Yeah. This looks fun. All right, let's put some ants and ladybugs together. Oh, Spoon found a ball. Silly Spoon.